I love to go running. It's how I unwind after a full day's work. But sometimes my glucose can drop quickly while I'm out. The FreeStyle Libre 3 system makes it easy to see what's going on with my glucose, so I can stay a step ahead and avoid a low glucose.
The home screen displays your glucose information with automatic updates every minute from your sensor. This is your current glucose that is measured every minute. A message appears here letting you know about your glucose. For instance, if your glucose is in range or going low. The trend arrow shows the direction your glucose is going. It tells you if your glucose is steady, rising slowly, rising quickly, falling slowly, or falling quickly. In the middle of the home screen is your 12-hour glucose graph. It shows your current and historical glucose readings along with your target glucose range. These two dotted lines represent your high and low glucose alarm levels. They appear only when alarms are turned on. You can add notes by tapping Add Note or Edit Note here. To see a note you've already added, tap the symbol or icon at the top of the glucose graph. At the bottom is the sensor life bar. It shows the number of days remaining on your sensor. In the top left corner is the main menu. Tapping here gives you access to features like alarms, your logbook, connected apps, and much more. Another great feature of the home screen is the background color, which makes it easy to see if your glucose is in range with a quick glance. Green indicates you're in your glucose target range. Red means low glucose, or below 70 milligrams per deciliter, and yellow indicates you are out of your target range. Orange means high glucose, or above 250 milligrams per deciliter.
With the FreeStyle Libre 3, my glucose information is updated every minute and streamed directly to my phone, so I can focus on doing the things I enjoy.
Learn how to set up glucose alarms on the FreeStyle Libre 3 app in the next video.